Hello, everyone. My name is Raven Diaz, and I am with the group Conflict Conquerors, and today I'll be talking to you about identifying issues in the workplace. Now, I know there's a lot of fear and anxiety that goes along with the word, but don't worry, it's normal, and quite frankly, it's unavoidable. The most useful advice I've ever received about conflict was from my business professor. He said, just because there's friction doesn't mean that there's something wrong, it just means there's something happening. Now that we've addressed the stigma behind the word, it's important to identify that there are two types of conflict. This is according to our textbook, Communicating for Results, a guide for business and professions, written by Cheryl Hamilton and Tony L. Kroll. The types of conflicts are A type, a relationship conflict, in which the A stands for affective or emotional, and C type, which is a task conflict, in which the C stands for cognitive. Now that you can recognize the two types of conflict, you can work on identifying the most common workplace problems. And those are personality differences, unmet needs in the workplace, mismanagement, poor communication, and difference in work methods. These are listed in an article from shrm.org titled Managing Workplace Conflict. Since you're now knowledgeable about the most common workplace issues, how do we define the issue? Well, according to an article called Effective Problem Solving Steps in the Workplace from March 22nd, 2021 on Indeed.com, you must do the following to help define the issue. Separate facts from opinions, determine the process where the problem exists, analyze company policies and procedures, discuss with team members to gather information, define the problem in specific terms, and gather all information required to solve the problem. In this video, we've covered types of conflict, common workplace problems, and how to define the issue. Stay tuned on my partner's videos in which you will learn how to recognize and implement appropriate conflict strategies and resolve conflict. I wish you the best of luck in all of your conflicts. Thank you so much for listening.